Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on HONOR X70i. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Then click search and click install. Now you can click open and then you can click continue. And here you can select your default browser or you can click cancel. Now you can add Firefox widget or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to your Firefox account or you can click not now. And you can turn notifications or you can click not now. Here you can select your theme or you can click save and continue, and you can select your toolbar placement or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.